Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get 1000 followers fast in 2025. First of all, make sure to post 1 to 2 reels daily with trending audios. Make sure it is with trending audio so it will catch more audience, and then use 3 strong keywords in your caption. Say something related to your post, or say some catchy phrases or line, or some funny phrases or lines. Next, you're going to post at your audience's peak time. Post when they are about to have break time, like at 12, 1, or like when lunch, or better post it at like night time when everyone's like busy on their phone. And reply to every comment. Make sure to reply to every comment. If there are a lot of comments, then you might miss a few, but try to reply to as much as you can. Next, use niche hashtags, not bored ones. Safety tip: never buy followers, it kills your reach. Quick fix: upload a Corsa post if it gets boosted in 2025, and that's it. Subscribe for more growth hacks.